This is how you replace your receiver on a Maxx. So I was trying to water glide over a pool, and water got on the receiver and messed it up, so now I'm replacing it. So basically, first thing you want to do, you got your old receiver right here, this antenna. You're going to pull this antenna out, and you got this cord here. You just got to pull that cord out. And then with your new receiver right here, you're going to put that cord back into the antenna. Okay, so now that you got this, you're going to be looking for a hole inside of that. And that's where you're going to put the antenna. Now that you got the antenna in with the new receiver, what you're going to do is you're going to take the cord from the servo right here, and you're going to insert that into channel 1. Second, you're going to insert this cord coming from the accelerator into channel 2, which is in the 3rd slot here. Slide that in, so you should have a 1 slot gap in between those two. And then you got the fan, and you're just going to put that on the last slot of the first rows. This one. Okay, now that you got your receiver hooked up to everything, so now to actually link your controller, you're going to hold the set button, which is right here, while you're turning it on. And you should get a blinking red on the on. And so while that's going, should hold link, button called link, and start your engine. And that should start blinking. And boom. Just like that, you're connected.